I'm the fortunate person to have actually had the conditions of my knees, and while we were in New Zealand, it was getting very painful. So we wanted to get it done as soon as possible. And when we actually went onto the websites to find out where we could get it done, we found that, my wife and myself actually made of the opportunity to find various places, but the one that came up the most efficient for replying and responding to us has been IndiCure. We've actually given a lot of information before we actually made any professional decisions on it, and we were even given how much it would cost, and the total cover of it was so favourable for us to actually afford it. And the cases in between, the follow-ups before we went in and after we came out, has been superb, absolutely. To the point that I think that we were treated more like royalty than just a number. It definitely made us feel at home and felt that we were being looked after. And the actual problems we ever had, we could always phone up and get backup from the team and actually get things done, proactive in everything that was done, which I think was brilliant. The hospitals that are unusually, they've got an abundance of services, and we actually were quite taken aback with the amount of service that we did get there. Physio, that was taken care of. The actual hotels were taken care of. The transport to and from for our procedures and for that sort of thing. And any questions we needed were answered straight away, which is absolutely
IndiCure is a great outfit. Without IndiCure, we wouldn't have been able to manage this trip. They've been superb from the get-go. And they've organised literally everything for us. We wouldn't have been able to do it without them. In terms of expenditure, for us it's been a godsend, because we just could not afford the surgery in New Zealand, and also it's state-of-the-art surgery that we got here. Our doctor was fantastic, the nursing staff were fantastic, the recovery time was exactly as we were told, and the second day after the operation John was already walking virtually unaided. So we just can't thank IndiCure enough for providing those services to us, picking us up, dropping us off, organising hotels. Anytime we had any issues, we just phoned IndiCure and it magically happened, got fixed. So really it's enhanced our overall experience of India. We were quite terrified, not knowing what we were coming to initially.
Never been.
It's been a great experience. It's enabled us to actually explore India a little bit and see a bit of the country and that sort of thing, because we've not had to worry about the medical side of things, because IndiCure has taken care of all of that for us, right from picking us up to kicking us back out the country. So I would highly recommend IndiCure to anybody contemplating overseas medical procedures. I would not recommend that you try and do it alone. It's a very complicated thing to do, and IndiCure takes care of absolutely everything, right from your pre-consultation before you even leave your home country to absolutely everything, hospitalisation,
advice on holiday,
advice, where to go, where not to go. It's been fantastic. So thanks, IndiCure.
Yeah, thank you very much.